Welcome to the top best. The best floor polishers is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in home maintenance, but trust me, it can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor polishers, exploring the top contenders that will leave your hardwood floors gleaming and protected. We'll be looking at everything from ease of use and maneuverability to the quality of the polish and the overall value for your money, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Bona Hardwood Floor Polish, 32 fluid ounces. Is your hardwood floor looking dull? This polish is designed to bring it back to life with a high gloss shine. It's perfect for renewing and protecting your floors. This polish is safe for all unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane finished wood floors. It adds a protective layer and helps fill in micro scratches, evening out the appearance of the floor. A 32-ounce bottle covers up to 500 square feet. This product is not a floor cleaner, it is designed to protect and renew your floors. The product is certified to GRN/GUARD standards for low chemical emissions. This means it's safer for your home and family while you use it. For the best results, use it with the Bona microfiber cleaning pad dedicated to polish application. It helps you achieve a beautiful, long-lasting shine. What we like. This polish brings dull wood floors back to life with a high gloss shine, adding a protective layer and filling in micro scratches. It's also certified to low chemical emissions. If you are looking for a product to restore the beauty of your floors and protect them, you should consider this. What people say. The polish applies smoothly and dries quickly, giving your floors a professional-grade high-shine finish without the need for expensive treatments. It is very easy to apply, you don't have to worry about the color of the floor, there is only one product you need. It dries fast also. Number 4. Rejuvenate Wood Floor Restorer, High Gloss Shine, 32 ounces. Tired of dull, scratched wood floors? This product is designed to bring them back to life. It restores the natural beauty of your floors, leaving them with a beautiful glossy finish. Forget complicated, multi-step processes. This product offers a simple, one-coat application. It fills in scratches, shines, and protects your floors in one easy step. This revitalizing formula breathes new life into your wood floors. It provides long-lasting protection, keeping your floors looking their best throughout your home. For optimal results, use this product with Rejuvenate Wood Floor Cleaner. This combination will gently clean and enhance your floor's natural hardwood beauty. This product is safe for use around pets and kids when used according to the directions. For more details, you can visit rejuvenateproducts.com. Safe. What we like. This product offers a single-coat application that fills scratches, shines, and protects your wood floors. The revitalizing formula ensures long-lasting protection for your home. If you want a quick and easy solution to restore and protect your floors, you should choose this. What people say. The product is easy to use. The product is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The product cleans the floors well. Number 3. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner, Finished Wood Surfaces. This cleaner is specifically designed to clean your finished hardwood floors. It leaves no streaks or dullness behind, ensuring a pristine look. It's the perfect solution for a spotless shine. You can use this cleaner on any finished hardwood surface. It rejuvenates the shine of your floors without leaving any sticky residue. It's easy to apply and effective on various surfaces. The cleaner is made with plant-based ingredients, making it safe for kids and pets. You can let them walk on the floor after the solution has dried. It provides a safe and clean environment for everyone. For long-lasting results and a beautiful shine, use this cleaner with Weiman High Traffic Hardwood Floor Polish. This combination will keep your floors looking their best. It's the ultimate cleaning duo. This cleaner is ideal for finished hardwood, engineered hardwood, vinyl, and laminate floors. It can also be used with refillable squirt mops. It's a versatile cleaner for multiple floor types. What we like. This cleaner is specifically formulated to clean finished hardwood floors without leaving streaks or dulling the surface. It's also safe for kids and pets. If you like a versatile cleaner that is safe for your family and leaves your floors looking their best, you should consider this. What people say. It completely restores them back to a beautiful polished clean floor. Cleans my hardwood floors so well. Does not leave them shiny but just a nice matte clean. Great, dries quickly, good value for your money, and it cleans well the wood floors and it leaves a shine to them. Number 2. Cordless electric spin mop with auto cleaning. This electric spin mop features an innovative automatic cleaning function. It can be automatically cleaned and dehydrated when placed on the cleaning bucket stand with one touch. You don't need to wash it by hand, and it operates with low noise. This cordless power mop utilizes advanced technology, rotating 200 times per minute. It saves you time and effort when cleaning various dirty floors. The mop pads effectively remove dirt and are suitable for different floor types. The mop includes a spray function that can spray water up to 30 cm. It has a hidden water tank within the mop head. With a full tank, it can spray up to 75 times. You can use it for both dry and wet cleaning. Equipped with a 11.1V motor and a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, you don't need to change batteries frequently. It fully charges in 4 hours and provides 60 to 90 minutes of continuous use. Its cleaning power and usage time are superior. The mop features a lightweight aluminum handle with control buttons for easy operation. The handle can rotate 90 degrees, allowing it to easily reach under furniture. It makes cleaning more convenient. What we like. This innovative electric spin mop comes with an automatic cleaning function, saving you the hassle of hand washing. It's cordless and rechargeable, offering convenience and long-lasting use. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient way to clean your floors, you should consider it. What people say. Floor dries within a couple minutes. I really like the ease of use, snaps together quickly and charges easily, also comes with an extra set of pads and charging cord to plug into a wall outlet. This mop is self-propelled, and I can guide it with one hand. My floors come cleaner faster than with other mops, and it's much easier on my back. The fact that the mop cleans itself is an added bonus. Number 1. Bissell BigGreen BGM 9000 Floor Machine. This machine is designed to dry clean carpets. It effectively removes allergens, leaving your carpets fresh and clean. It's a great solution for maintaining a healthy home environment. The machine can also buff and sand hardwood floors. With a pad speed of 175 revolutions per minute, it ensures a smooth and polished finish. It's perfect for revitalizing your wooden floors. It's not just for floors, it scrubs and cleans ceramic tile and grout. The machine is also capable of cleaning concrete and removing oil. This makes it versatile for various cleaning tasks. This machine can polish and strip vinyl surfaces. It also cleans, polishes, and protects marble, ensuring a beautiful shine. It's a great tool for maintaining different types of flooring. The machine can scrub and clean brick and slate surfaces. It comes with a 30-foot grounded 3-wire 18-3 power cord for extended reach. This provides convenience and flexibility during use. What we like. This floor machine can dry clean carpets and remove allergens, as well as buff and sand hardwood floors. It also scrubs and cleans various surfaces like tile, grout, and concrete. If you need a versatile machine for multiple floor types and cleaning tasks, you should consider this. What people say. I got the machine within a day of ordering, the pads came the next day. I used the machine on a 55-year-old slate floor that I think has never been cleaned. I went slowly and the machine got everything off the floor. Easy to use and a quiet motor. I hadn't deep cleaned the tile floor because it's too hard to do. This Bissell made it easy to clean standing up. I used their natural fiber brown union mix brush and actually cleaned off the old sealer and re-sealed it anew, first time in 5 years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.